case before the court. Could
Yes.
you just exactly tell us what has transpired today?
You all know the background of this case, the reason why we are here. The Deputy Governor of Ondo State filed a suit against the House of Assembly and the Speaker of the House of Assembly of Ondo State at the Federal High Court. We challenged the jurisdiction of the Federal High Court. The Federal High Court gave an order, interim order. We challenged the jurisdiction of the Federal High Court that it hasn't got jurisdiction over the subject matter. And then we now appeal against the interim order granted by the Federal High Court to the Court of Appeal here. But in the interim, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and the leadership of the APC have called all the warring parties together precisely on the 24th day of November 2023. And the parties have signed what I will call an armistice. That's the kind of agreement that warring party agreed to after the end of war in the law of armed conflict. And we are here today on behalf of the House of Assembly and the Speaker of Ondo State House of Assembly to enforce our own part of the armistice. And we also want to appeal to the Deputy Governor also to also withdraw the case that is still pending at the Federal High Court and other similar cases that he has filed on this matter, so that we will all have been seen to have totally complied with the terms of the armistice. No, that's a political matter. The terms of the armistice is a political matter. The reason why we are here as lawyers is to withdraw the appeal challenging the jurisdiction of the Federal High Court on this subject matter. It is our contention that the Federal High Court has no jurisdiction over the impeachment of a deputy governor or attempted impeachment of a deputy governor.
Doctor, one sentence, what's the interim order granted by the Federal High Court?
The interim order granted by the Federal High Court, which we appeal against, seeks to restrain the Speaker of the House of Assembly and the House of Assembly of Ondo State and the Chief Judge from commencing impeachment process against the Deputy Governor. I'm Dr. Remi Peter Olatubura, SAN.